Hello and welcome to Full of Food. These slow cooker brownies are the perfect balance of fudgy gooeyness with a crispy top. Serve them warm from the pot with a drizzle of cream and a handful of berries. Who could resist such a perfect dessert? Okay, so straight on to ingredients. We've got some flour here, plain flour, and then some sugar. I've just got caster sugar here. Some vanilla essence, that's going to give them that lovely vanilla cakey taste. I've got 3 medium eggs here, and then some cocoa powder, some butter, and some vegetable oil. This is just normal vegetable oil. And the most important bit, I've got chocolate. I've got some dark chocolate and some milk chocolate to go in there. If you have the Ninja Foodi Max, you can use the saute button on here to cook and melt your butter and your chocolate. If you've just got a normal slow cooker, just do this in a pan. So all you need to do is melt off that butter, just make sure that it's almost melted, and then we're going to put in that all important chocolate. Now the key thing here is just to make sure that mix doesn't burn, so adjust the heat as you need it. You can turn it on and off on here, or if you're on a pan you can turn it up or down. Make sure you incorporate all of that chocolate in. There we go, the dark chocolate going in, which gives it that lovely rich taste. And then next up we're going to take our eggs. I've got 3 medium eggs here. Remember, all of the amounts are in the description. I'm just going to give them a gentle whisk, nothing too major, just to get all of the yolks and the whites incorporated. Now the important thing here is to stop the heat and then pop your sugar in. And then next up we're going to put our vegetable oil in. I'm just using 3 tablespoons here. There we go. Give that a good stir to combine. Make sure all of that sugar is mixed into that lovely mixture there. Perfect. And then next up we're going to put that lovely vanilla essence, a good teaspoon of that, and our egg. So just go quite quickly here. You want to make sure that the eggs don't cook. And then we're doing our flour. So we're going to do about 1/3 at a time. Keep mixing, and this batter is going to get quite thick. When you stir through it, it sort of almost removes itself from the pot. Cocoa powder's in there too now. Close that up, and we're going to cook that on high for 4 hours. Don't touch it, just leave it, leave the lid on, don't take anything off. 4 hours, and then we're going to come back, and there we have this beautiful fudgy brownie with this crackly top. You can just see there the shine and the crackle on that. Look at that. Beautiful brownie in there, just done in the slow cooker. So easy, just plonking it in there, walking away for 4 hours and coming back. So I just like to dust mine on top with a little bit of icing sugar, a few berries, and then lashings of cream. Perfect dessert, perfect snack. I mean, let's face it, brownies are brilliant, and you can keep these in an airtight container in a cupboard for a couple of days.